Welcome. Today I'm going to be reviewing the fang cubominx, or the skew ivy puzzle. So this puzzle is a pretty good puzzle. It's really easy to solve compared to most puzzles. It's not a WCA puzzle as well, which is something to look out for, so you can't really compete. I haven't really seen any posts for the world record. Now, what do I think of this puzzle? Turning's pretty good. There's not a really good way to hold it, so as you can see here, you can use your ring finger to, or you can almost up here just kind of grab that part. Now, and then here, you could use your two thumbs or your whole hand. It's kind of hard because if you want to turn, you have to use your whole hand. You can't. Now, I guess you could flick it, but it's also a lot harder too, and it usually becomes inaccurate. Now, here, I will do an example solve just to show you. Alright, so here we go, and I'm going to do this slowly, just so, I'm not trying to go for speed, just trying to show people the methods and how it turns and durability. Alright, that actually. There we go. Now, here is the fully solved state. Now, let's see about corner cutting. So if it's right here, it won't corner cut. You have to line it up. And if there's something like that, you have to watch out for that. Now, corner cutting is decent on it. I wouldn't say it's super good. It's not like a 3x3 where it has 45 degree. But that's just the puzzle itself. That's not the manufacturer. Yeah. So, here, I'm also going to talk about a complaint I have. Now, this isn't a very... Now, I have two complaints, and it's not a very big one. Pieces fall out. And it's decently easy. So, here, let me try to see if I can actually... Yeah, there we go. So, some of these pieces will actually fall out. Now, the cube's durable, if that makes sense. Like, it's not going anywhere anytime soon, unless you literally take the inside layer once it's broken and try to, like, pull it off. But this is something to look out for. This cube can fall apart. Now, the nice thing is, though, it's just really easy to put back on, and this only happens every once in a while. I've had this cube for about a year now, and it's only happened twice. So, a plate like this, just, if you can line it up, which I'm going to turn this away from the camera so I can actually line it up, you can usually end up just popping it back into place. There's no click, but you know it's in place. Now this, on the other hand, I'm pretty sure there's a click. Hold on. Have to line it up. Nope, it just goes right in. Now, another complaint I have, it is a stickered puzzle, so after a while, some of the stickers will try to fall off. This has only happened to this little green piece right there, and it's not that obvious. It's still a really good puzzle. Now, you can't really go for speed on this, it's just to pick up and try to solve. I guess you could. Now, it is a decently fast puzzle. I'd say if you're a mid-speed cuber, maybe getting like 30-ish, you could probably do this in pretty fast. See, there we go. So, how you do it is, so you solve the white side, and you solve the yellow side, and usually a third side appears. If not, then you just do this anyway. If a third side appears, you see which, two of these corner type pieces are here, so it's blue in this case. So you find blue on this side, so you go up, 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 down, down, and that solves it. So you can see how you could get some pretty fast times on these. Now, some of the shades are different on this cube, the colors, just because how I'm recording this video. But overall, this is a really good cube. I would definitely get it. And it's really cheap in price compared to basically every other cube. You could probably pick this up for, I'd say, like $5. I haven't checked prices in a while, but this is a really cheap cube just to get. It's a cool puzzle. I think it should maybe even be in the WCA, or just maybe like a side type event. It's really fun. You never see people like talk about it really. I think it's a really good puzzle. And those are my overall thoughts. Tell me what you think. Leave it in the comments below. Lubercuber out.